Hey there. So it sounds like you know somebody who should be investing and they know they should be investing, but they're not because it's too overwhelming and they don't know where to start. That's exactly why my co founders and I started Scale Trade because we've experienced this frustration of trying to convince someone to invest far too many times. So, Scale Trade has become the easiest platform for a beginner to start investing by simply copying the tried and true investment strategies of legendary investors like Warren Buffett, Jack Bogle, and Benjamin Graham. We even offer the ability to dollar cost average into very well known ETFs, but we've packaged it in a way where it's much more digestible, less intimidating, and overall easier to visualize and get started. So, in more detail, what does Scale Trade do here? Really, the magic is in these legendary investor strategies. We allow anyone to take an existing brokerage account like a Webull, Charles Schwab, E-Trade, and connect it to Scale Trade. Once it's connected to Scale Trade, you can check out this calculator and say, okay, I have $10,000 to start. I am younger, so I'm going to be able to invest over 35 years. I'm going to invest once a month, and I'm going to put in, let's start with $500 a month. Over time, I can see if I were to invest in the Warren Buffett 90-10 strategy every month, it would grow to nearly $3 million by the end of this 35 years. With Jack Bogle, it'd be a different number. With Benjamin Graham, it'd be a different number because these are all different strategies. But let's say I'm liking how this curve is looking. I like this chart. I'm going to read more about the Warren Buffett strategy. Again, you and I probably know a bit more about investing in the stock market than the person you're trying to get onto the platform. So we have more about who Warren Buffett is, about the strategy. We show the estimated return, but we try and avoid too much finance jargon. And this is based on the 10-year compound annual return of this mix of ETFs based on the Warren Buffett 90-10 strategy allocation. The risk level is based on Morningstar's risk assessment of these ETFs that are used, and it is weighted. So, in other words, this is the risk level of the overall strategy. You can see 90% of your money will be put into VLO and 10% will be put into bills or short-term bonds. With the Jack Bogle strategy, we learn about Jack. We can see 64% of the money every month will be put into VTI, 20% into BND, and 16% into VXUS. We see benefits and drawbacks on the side here as well, so you get a holistic view of the strategy and you feel like you understand what you're getting yourself into. Now, let's say your friend or you like Warren Buffett and you want to go forward with this. That's great. Well, go ahead and click Start. And let's say I want to start on Friday, October 25th. You'll see because I put 500 into the calculator, 500 will pop up here, auto-filled, and I can select which account I want to run this automation in. I've connected 4 accounts to Scale Trade here, and you can connect as many as you would like. I can support Schwab, E-Trade, Tradier, Alpaca, and Webull, and more. But for the sake of the demo, I'll use this paper account in Alpaca, and it shows me a summary of this automation. I'll go ahead and click Start, and once I click Start, you'll see that in my automations channel, or my automations tab, excuse the Warren Buffett clones, I've been doing a lot of demos, but you can see we have the automation we just created for $500 monthly, October 25th, and I can pause this strategy whenever I'd like. I can go ahead and remove the strategy whenever I like. I can restart it. I can edit it. I can do whatever I want to the strategy. You have full control as a user. And from here, the other things Scale Trade can do are actually place trades. If you're someone who's maybe not a beginner, but you want a single place to manage all of your accounts, you can place trades across any of your connected accounts with Scale Trade. You can also see the performance across all of your accounts from one dashboard and see all of the positions that you hold. For example, you can see that here, and the dividend income for the next 12 months, your portfolio allocation between cash, ETFs, stocks, and more. And this is really what Scale Trade does. It's to help people get started with investing. And if you invite someone to Scale Trade and they sign up for an annual plan, you will get $10. Just like that. There's no limit to how much you can earn as someone inviting others and referring others. And by November 30th, whoever has the most referrals will get an extra $250 sent directly to them. We'll pay you out via Zelle, PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, any of those nice and easy. Just fill out the form down below and put in your email, your information, and we'll send you your unique referral code. All you need is for the person you're inviting to use that code at checkout, and they should, because they'll get another 20% off of their annual plan with Scale Trade. So I hope you enjoy this demo, and I hope it makes sense. If you have any questions, definitely let me know, and I hope to see you and your friends using Scale Trade very soon. Have a good one. Bye.